What up, YouTube? This is for anyone new to YouTube, okay? If you're just starting out, I recommend you listen up. You only got a small amount of time on this little blue rock, okay? And I want you to understand that you creating content and you being a content creator is the least you could do to help out the future of society. As a race, as a community, as a gender, as a human being, you need to understand that we're only here for a small amount of time. So what you need to do is try to create all the content that you can. Try to master whatever you do. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's being a mechanic, whether it's being a doctor, whether it's being a teacher, you need to master whatever you're really good at, okay? And document it. And by doing that, what you do is you help the future generation. You help future generations, okay? Many, many, many generations. And that's all you got to do is create content, all right? Now, it can be weird. It can be a little strange talking to yourself, creating content. But again, you could create content any type of way. Understand that. There's numerous ways to create content. I'm speaking to the new people because new people are the people who typically start and quit 5 minutes in. Right? New people, not everybody, right? But there's more new people than consistent people. Right? There's more poor people than rich people. There's more people who don't create content than do create content. So just by you creating content once a week, it jumps you up levels. Immediately, it jumps you up levels. It really do. And it's a process. Trust the process. Enjoy the process. Work as hard as possible as mastering whatever you do. If you work at the laundromat and you fold clothes, be the best at it. Do your very best to be the best at it. All right? Other people will see that. Other people will watch that. And you will help other people out. Even like one question helps thousands of people. Okay? Because people are going to ask that question forever. They might ask it a different way as time goes on. But you got to understand, you are helping the future generation by posting content. I think that's the best form of content, in my opinion. Why? Because it's visual and you can hear it, right? So you have the visual part and you have the audio part. I think that's the best. That's the best you get right there. Creating content is only going to get better, especially with AI, right? It's only going to get easier with AI. And that's pretty much with everything. Everything will get easier because of AI. It's only the people who really want to do the bare minimum is afraid that a robot is going to take their job. Don't do the bare minimum. Be different. Stand out. Be spectacular. Understand the process. Enjoy the process. Learn those lessons. Learn when something doesn't go your way. Understand why it didn't go your way. Understand why you planned for one thing, but something else happened. Trial and error is real. You got to do things. A lot of things is a numbers game, okay? But if you keep going and you keep doing it over and over and over and over and over again, you're going to get what you want. Okay? That's results. You're going to get results. If it was easy, everybody would do it. If you're going through hell, keep going. Why stop in hell? Keep going. You ain't been down the road. Keep running down the road. Keep going. Once one door closes, another opens. Understand these little sayings? They're sayings for a reason. It starts with one thing. Pressing a button. You press the record button and just go from there. Now, again, you're going to have to feel some type of way to get over that hump. But then after that, you good. It ain't easy. It ain't easy. I remember when I started creating content, I felt some type of way. And after a while, that went away real fast, okay? Because I understand what the future looks like, okay? What it looks like. And it looks like a lot of content creators, it's the new way, right, of taking care of yourself and your family, right? If you have a family or future family, like there's nothing else you could be doing right now better than creating content. That's facts. That is your digital real estate. Let me say it again. That is your digital real estate. Okay? It's going to be online forever. Always. So understand that. Once you understand that, you're good. Get better at it. Do this, try this out. Try that out. Okay? You want to find your sweet spot. Right? And what I mean sweet spot, find something that you could do every single day and you're going to get just you're going to get results that you normally wouldn't get if you were somebody else. Think about it that way, right? Find your gift. Find what you could do that other people can't do, but you can do it like longer or better. Content creation is the future of everything. Peace.